Alright, boys and girls, welcome to math. We're going to have some fun today. We're going to count together, and then afterwards we're going to learn how to draw something called 10 frame teeth. We're going to do 10 frame and make it into a face. It's really fun. So let's go ahead and count together. We're going to start with 0, count to 10, and then backwards. You ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now let's go ahead and count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Very good. All right, boys and girls, I would like you to show me some amounts with your fingers when I tell you the number. Show me that many fingers, okay? So, can you show me 3? How would you do that with your fingers? Show me 3 fingers. Good. If you did just like that, you are correct. 3 fingers. Now show me 0. How would you show 0? Very good. If you did just like that, 0. That's nothing, right? 0. And how about 7? Show me 7. You're going to have to use both hands. Very good. 7. Okay, one more. How about 10? Definitely have to use both hands. And that's right, you're going to show me both hands. 10, all 10 fingers, all right? Okay, now boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and draw the 10 frame teeth. So I'd like you to go ahead and just a second, stop the video and grab a piece of paper, just a blank paper like this, and a marker or a crayon. Now I'm going to use blue, but you can get whatever color you would like. So a marker or a crayon, it works a little bit better than a pencil. You could use that, but a marker or a crayon would show up a little bit better. So go ahead and pause the video, get a piece of paper and a marker or a crayon. Alright, boys and girls, you probably have your piece of paper and marker or crayon. So first thing we're going to do is, we're not going to use the entire bottom part of this on the first drawing of the 10 frame teeth, because we're going to do 2 of them, okay? So we're going to do one over here, and then a second one over here. So we're going to start by taking your marker or crayon and making just a small line up and down on this side of the paper, just right about there, just like that. Okay. And now that you did that, we're going to do another one just about here, not all the way over here or over there, but just about right here. That's about the same height as the other one. Let's do that. And boys and girls, if I'm ever going too fast, you can go ahead and just pause the video and go ahead and take your time on the drawing in the next line, and then hit play again if I'm ever going too fast for you, okay? Alright, now that we have these 2 lines, and these are parallel to each other, that means they're right kind of in the same direction, right next to each other. There's 2 parallel lines. We're going to go ahead and make the top of the 10 frame, okay? So let's do that. That connects from this top of the line to that top of the line. And then, once you've done that, we're going to do another one on the bottom, and that will be parallel to this long one. Okay, let's do another one. This kind of finishes the rectangle as we work on the 10 frame. We're not done yet, but this gets kind of the outer part of the 10 frame. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to do a third line that's parallel to these 2, but we're going to put it right smack dab in the middle. Okay, so we're going to start here and just go all the way through the middle. Alright, and then, once again, you can pause the video if I'm going a little bit fast for you, and then we're going to put 4 lines up and down through this rectangle, which will complete the 10 frame. You ready? Now, first one I'm going to put right about here, okay? And then the next one, a little further. And if it's not perfectly even, it's no problem at all, okay? We just don't want to put it too far to one side or the other, but just about there is good. And the third one. And then the last one. Okay? Now, once again, boys and girls, it doesn't have to be perfect. If I look at it, I can tell that these 2 are a little bit bigger than these 2, but that's no problem at all. There is my 10 frame. Alright. As long as I have space to put some dots in the middle in each box, I have a good 10 frame. Alright. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to complete the face. So that's a 10 frame. I'm going to turn it into teeth of a mouth of a face, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is add, so that's the teeth, I'm going to add the nose, okay? So I'm going to go right about here and just pull down and do a nose, okay? Now I'm going to do some eyes. You can do whatever kind of eyes you like, but I'll show you a couple good ones, just like this. I'm just going to do some up and down ovals, just like that. It's okay if they're not exactly the same size, but I'm just going to do ovals like that. And then I'm going to do kind of a half circle within the oval, or a half oval really, within the oval, just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to fill in the middle part of these eyes. All the way in. Okay. And another one on this side. Alright. Now what else does the face need? Got a mouth, nose, eyes. Definitely needs ears. Okay. So I'm going to put what looks like a C on this side. See? And then another one in the opposite direction, kind of a backwards C on this side. Alright, now I can have some fun with it. I'm going to give them some hair. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and kind of just go just like that, zigzaggy, all the way down to the other side. Can you see his face? Yeah, definitely. And then I'm going to connect it on the bottom. So I'm going to go here and just go around, and I'm going to kind of drop kind of far to leave some space right here under his mouth, and you'll see why. But I'm going to go all the way here, back to the other side, and connect it there. Alright, now I can do a couple extra things, a couple extra touches to finish the face. I'm going to put another smaller C within that C, which is now the ear, just to kind of give it the feature of an ear, and then a backwards one on this side as well. Okay, now I'm going to finish this top area to really make it look like he has hair above his head. So I'm going to go here and kind of just do a little bit of a half oval all the way down to here. If it's not perfect, no problem. But I like his hair. Isn't that some good hair? All right. Now, face is done, but I'm going to make it a 10 frame. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick a number, and I'm going to select a number from the number line up here. I'm going to go with 7, okay? And I'm going to write that number on his chin, right underneath. That's why we wanted to have some space under the mouth. I'm going to write 7, start at the top, across, and pull down. 7. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fill in 7 of his teeth, or 7 places in the 10 frame. I'll start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I have made a 10 frame with 7 in it. Now I'm going to do one more and do a different number, okay? I'm going to go right over here. Here's why I wanted to leave some room. I'm going to go ahead and do a second 10 frame face. Again, you can stop, pause the video if I'm going too fast. I'm going to go a little bit quicker on this one. So I'm going to start on this side, line up, and a line on the other one. Other side there, and then connect it, and connect it on the bottom, and then one right through the middle, and then I'm going to go right about here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to do that nose. Start right about here in the middle, go down and under. Okay. Then I'm going to do those eyes. 2 big ovals, one here and one here. Okay. And then I'm going to put that sort of half oval in the middle part of it. And then I'm going to fill that in. Okay. All right. Now let's put some ears. A C over here. And a backward C over here. Oops. All right. Now this one I'm going to make a little bit different. I'm going to do some different hair. And I'm actually going to make this a girl. There's a boy and I'm going to make a girl. So I'm going to pull the hair. I'm not going to make it wavy like that. You can do it however you would like. But I'm going to go just like this. A little bit higher, and you're going to see why. All the way down like that. And then I'm going to go put some bangs on this girl. Bangs are those little hairs that fall down in front. Swoopy little bangs in that direction, and some over here. Hey, it's kind of a brother and sister, huh? And then I'm going to complete it just like that, and then up like that. Okay. And then I'm going to put that middle part of the C, and here too. And I'm going to finish the bottom part of the face, making sure that I leave some room for that number right here. Okay. So here we go. Down and up. And then I'm going to actually put an extra one little touch. Since this is a girl, I'm going to give her a little bit longer hair. So I'm going to put some lines here, here, and here. And then here, here, and here. Okay. All right. Okay. So you could have put those straight down like I did, or put them kind of wavy, however you want. Okay. Now, this girl, I'm going to give a bigger number. I'm going to give a number that's not even on the 10 frame. Okay. I'm going to give a number higher than 10 or greater than 10. Okay. I'm going to give her the number 14. Okay. So if I do that, I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to leave some space because I'm going to need to put some dots outside of the 10 frame because 14 is greater than 10. 1, 4, okay, 10 here, so I'm going to fill all these in and count all the way up to 14. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the outside, 12, 13, and 14. All right, there it is. Now you didn't have to line them up just underneath those, but I like to kind of keep them nice and neat in those rows. So I put the 11, 12, 13, and 14 just in the same row underneath the other ones, okay? So that is our 10 frame face, all right, 10 frame teeth rather. Those are 10 frame teeth. You can do it any style that you would like. You can give big hair, poofy hair, different styles of the ears, whatever you want. So why don't you go ahead and make a couple more of those if you'd like for practice, and make different amounts, numbers there. I have 7, 14, you could do 5, you could do 0 and have no dots at all. You could do 3, whatever you want, all the way up to 20. All right, boys and girls, thank you for doing math with me today.